Welcome to 2413 McKivett Drive, a beautiful condo in Toledo's desirable Stonebridge community. This home offers the perfect blend of comfort, convenience, and low-maintenance, single-level living. Step inside to an inviting open floor plan filled with natural light. The great room features vaulted ceilings and a cozy gas fireplace, perfect for a relaxing evening at home. Adjacent to the great room, you'll find a bright dining room with sliding doors to the charming sunroom. The bright eat-in kitchen offers a separate dining area, ideal for everyday meals, as well as generous counter space, updated appliances, and under-cabinet lighting. Just beyond the main living area, you'll find a versatile den, perfect for a home office, reading nook, or even a third bedroom. A large full bath is located just off the common area. Convenience continues with the first floor laundry room, thoughtfully designed with cabinetry and easy access from the main hall. One of the bedrooms is perfect as a guest room with its large window for plenty of natural light. The spacious primary suite provides a serene escape at the end of the hall and boasts a ceiling fan and an arched window that adds charm to the space. The primary bath offers generous closet space, a vanity, a soaking tub, and a shower. Outside, enjoy an attached two-car garage and well-maintained landscaping in your own private yard off the enclosed porch. A peaceful outdoor retreat where you can enjoy your morning coffee, tend to plants, or simply unwind in privacy. It's a rare feature that truly sets this condo apart. All exterior amenities are cared for by the HOA, including lawn maintenance, exterior upkeep, and snow removal. With over 1,700 square feet of single-level living, this home offers easy living and timeless comfort, just minutes from shopping, dining, and parks. Discover the perfect balance of privacy, space, and simplicity. Schedule your private showing today at 2413 McKivett Drive.